friends, today we will talk about learning outcomes. What are these learning outcomes? Have you heard about it, anybody? When do we call a body as dead body? When do we call? We call a body as dead body when our body doesn't have soul. जब हमारे शरीर से आत्मा निकल जाती है तो वो क्या हो जाती है? डेड बॉडी. Similarly, these learning outcomes are the soul of teaching learning process. So what are learning outcomes? Learning outcomes are soul of teaching learning process. Soul. It means if your teaching learning process doesn't have achievement of learning outcome, it means that your teaching is a dead process. Or in the other sense, we can say that learning outcome makes teaching learning process alive. अगर आपकी टीचिंग में आउटकम्स नहीं अचीव हो रहे हैं तो वहां पर कोई लर्निंग भी नहीं हो रही है. अब ये तो थी इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लर्निंग आउटकम्स. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट दैट व्हाट आर दीज लर्निंग आउटकम्स. होते क्या हैं ये लर्निंग आउटकम्स? कुछ नहीं, नॉट ए रॉकेट साइंस, बट आफ्टर अटेंडिंग योर क्लास for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Suppose you were there in the class and what new you have taught to the child. Taught in the sense, what new the child is able to do. It means learning outcomes are doables. What the child is able to do. For instance, the child is able to write 5 lines on the topic. So your learning outcome is that the child is able to write 5 lines about a certain topic within given period of time and using so and so hints. So this is what your learning outcomes are, doables. And my dear friends, learning outcomes are always written in the form of verbs. Doables means verbs. Like, can you tell me some of the learning outcomes? क्या कौन सी verbs हम यूज करते हैं अपनी टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस में? हम बच्चे को क्या सिखाते हैं? रीड, गुड. राइट, गुड. लर्न, रिकॉल, रीऑर्गेनाइज, सीक्वेंस, मैच. जो आप क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाते हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाते समय जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जस्ट सी द क्वेश्चंस. Question always start with the main thing is in a question is a verb. Match the following. So what the child will be able to do? The child will be able to match. Fill up the gaps. So what the child will be able to do? Fill up certain gaps. Distinguish between. So what the child will be able to do? The child will be able to distinguish between. Compare noun and verb. So the child will be able to compare. So these are the verbs. So we can say that learning outcomes are expressed in the form of verbs. Expressed. And my dear friends, there is a formula that how to write the learning outcomes. Learning outcomes are written in a very specific way. And what is that way? That is the child or the student will be able to do. Now, here very important thing is what is this will be? What does it means? Will be means you have to plan before your class that after taking this class what your child will be able to do. So we need learning outcomes. We need learning outcomes when we plan for our lesson plan. And how we came to know? Because there is the usage of the word will be. अच्छा, यहाँ एक बहुत बड़ा confusion होता है. What is the difference between learning objective and learning outcome? Are they same? No, not at all. They are not same. What is the difference? Have you heard the word child-centric and teacher-centric? So, child-centric is learning outcome and teacher-centric is learning objective.